Ladies and gentlemen and members of the jury, my name is Dave and this is the Best Dual Sport Bikes channel. If you have one of these bikes, a 20 to 24 trail bike, EXC, and you are struggling to get the end cap out because you wanted to replace it with our end cap, the best end cap you can buy, looks stock, awesome shape, the only one that doesn't burn the stock turn signal, big spark arrestor, big spark arrestor. This is the little Pro Moto Billet one. This is our burly one, twice the size. Never gonna clog, freer flowing, makes more power. Yeah, and it fits perfect when you get it in. And you're all, hey, you're just making a gratuitous plug for your end cap. Of course, why wouldn't I? But you would only take this out when you're gonna replace it with the best dual sport bikes. I just wanna let you know, show you what sticks them in there because sometimes people struggle to get them out. Sometimes they just come right out. So if you know what it is, hopefully it'll be a little less frustrating to you. So basically what it is right inside this core here, they jam it together. And you know it's somebody named Igor from some Eastern European country or some guy that's tanner than me, probably makes his own shoes, right? Little flip-flops, lives on a boat. I'm sure it's some low-income joint, and it's just a factory that puts these things together. They make them. KTM doesn't make them. They don't make much. That makes these things, and I'm sure they just jam them together in a machine. This thing's in a whatever. This thing goes in. A press just plunks it together, and whatever gets bent up in the process is whatever gets bent up in the process. So, excuse me. So look at these two picks right here and you'll understand. Look at this core right here and see how bad this thing is garked over here. Pretty bad, huh? So this part, dang it. This part somehow seems to catch on it, fold it over, and then this ring fits in this core relatively tight. Now that it's gunked over, that's what's keeping you from pulling it back out. Look at this other picture here. You can kind of see how tight this fits in there. And this edge right here is sharper than this ingoing edge. So that's what's keeping you from getting it out. Take a look at this pic. So you kind of get it. What I did, and you can see, it's funny that even this sticks right here because it's caught on that gark. So it's putting it back together to stock, and then I couldn't get it back out. So I ended up putting the screws that came with it on it, and I just put some tape here along the side of the muffler so my hammer wouldn't monkey it up. And I just banged on this. I just used this as a catch right here, banged on it, and then it was able to come out. And then I grabbed it and twisted it around, and then it popped out.